You did a project in 2 days that conventional construction would have put at least 3 weeks. Let's talk about this Lurncrete and this process, because you basically took concrete and modified it into something I hadn't seen before.
Yeah, we call it kind of not that we think we're superior, but I think it's a superior concrete. And we call ourselves Concrete Rebellion because we're kind of rebels. We don't do things like you do with concrete, like forms we throw on the ground and make a patio and goes, where's
Yeah, I know. I'm still struggling with that one, but that's a different story.
The steps, no forms. A waterfall that we take up. It's stronger than anything you can believe. It's with panels.
Yeah,
just a lot of different construction methods that are not conventional, and we kind of go outside the box, and that's what we've done. But even the outdoor kitchen, everything, the substrate is the veneer. There's a lot of things.
Well, the countertops are just amazing.
Aren't they beautiful? Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'm real proud of the way that Bradley, my nephew, he's actually taken it to the next level. There's so much to do with this product that we have. We do everything from fire pits and veneers and, of course, the outdoor kitchen.
Right.
It's amazing that the waterfall, which looks like rock, is the same bag mix that makes those incredible marble-looking tops that we have.
In this little space, we've got the waterfall going, which people can probably hear that in the background. You've got a fire pit that looks like a tree stump, which really you can't tell that it's not a tree stump.
Yeah, it's pretty unique.
And the outdoor kitchen, all in this one little area, all made out of this concrete that started yesterday morning.
That's true. End of 2 days here. We're almost an hour to go to 5 o'clock, and we're pretty much finished. We got staining to do, and the boys already putting in the grill. And yes, it's an amazing and a big retainer wall in the backyard.
So the retaining wall here. Let's talk about that for a second, because most retaining walls, when you start looking at them, you've got to have rebar in it if you're using concrete. You got to have drainage behind it. You got to have all this stuff. This didn't do that.
Yeah, and we have holes in it for weeping and everything on the same type of stuff that we do have for drainage. But the big thing about this right here is that it's a monolith. So it's monolithic. A lot of times, if you do any other kind of concrete wall, you got to have a footer to the bottom,
right?
Would stop undertow. You have, because you're trying to stop the hydrostatic pressure, or here in Texas, the movement of the earth is crazy because of it gets dry and then it gets it pop concrete pools out of the ground. I've seen some crazy stuff. So these walls are so unique in that they're a monolith, and they pretty much float right on there. So no matter what it is, they just don't. The concrete's 3280 in 24 hours. So the strength is absolutely insane. We have fiber all through it, and we're stacking it up with no form.
Yeah,
that's the big thing. There's no
saw
form.
that. We went almost 4 feet here.
4 feet, 60 feet, or 75 feet, and no form. And we did it. The whole thing was done in 2 hours.
Yeah, 2.5. 2 hours, something like that.
And it's structural as anything.
Realistically, you did a project in 2 days that conventional construction would have put at least 3 weeks into this.
Yeah, 3 weeks to a month. I was a landscaper and I did hardscaping. So we used to do outdoor kitchen. You did the old rock and you put the block and then you veneered it. The tops, even a waterfall would take me at least a week and a half to this size of waterfall here. And it's gorgeous. And the overhangs you can't get with real rock.
Yeah, I know. The whole time we've been here, you've been telling me, just give me 30 minutes. Give me 30 minutes. And every 30 minutes I look and there's something else happening.
Well, we threw a blob of concrete on the ground over here because they sent us kind of a wet mix. We used to more of a dry mix. They sent a blob there, and we turned it and we carved it into a fire pit bench. People as they hear this, they go, "Well, wait a second, what are you talking about?" If you go to Lurncrete, you mind me throwing that out there?
Absolutely.
You go to YouTube and put in Lurncrete, L-U-R-N. We're different even in the spelling, right? So L-U-R-N-C-R-E-T-E, Lurncrete, and put it in there in the search, and you'll see thousands of videos, and you'll see us do crazy things.
Now, and they can go look at that, but you're also training contractors who want to get into this.
Yes. So we're looking for installers all the time, and there's just not enough. We got so many people in demand for this product, not only because of price, the speed to which we do it. They're looking at, they want to get involved with this. So,
sure.
We train them, and we tell, that's part of our deal. We learn, we teach them. So we had a training class where we were here. A lot of guys came out and learned how to do this.
So again, if somebody's interested in taking a look at, because I'm kind of running out of time on
I'm
this
sorry.
segment, no, that's okay. If somebody's interested, what's the website again?
Lurncrete.com, LURNCRETE.com. You know, you
Okay.
can see all the information.
And they can see how it's done and where classes are taking place. and
Absolutely,
stuff.
absolutely. In fact, we'll probably be out here in Texas a few more times. We have one of our stores going to come out here. So,
Well, Dave, I appreciate you taking time to talk
got it.
to us.
You know,
and,
thanks for having me on here.
And I look forward to talking to you about it again. But
got it,
this
man.
stuff came out gorgeous.
Thank you, and we appreciate you guys letting us be a part of this.